Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I want to share the investment options that you can consider if you're financially starting out or if you're a beginner. These investment options are very simple. They are very easy to understand, so you can go on and research more about them, and also it's very simple to invest in them. Remember, as I have always said, that investing is the only way that you can create wealth, because investing makes your money work for more money. Yeah, so investing is multiplication of your money. Wealth creation can be a slow journey, so investing early is recommended for all of us. So here are 7 investment options that you can consider if you're financially starting out or if you're a beginner. Investment option number 1 is a fixed deposit account. I know many of you have heard of a fixed deposit account. So what's a fixed deposit account? It's an investment that requires you to deposit money into your bank account for a fixed time, usually 1 month to 12 months, and in this period the bank offers you a fixed interest rate that you can enjoy during that term. So an investment, a fixed deposit account type of investment is very safe because it has very low risk, and therefore you will enjoy low returns compared to other investment options that I may give in this video. Investment option number 2 is mutual funds. Mutual funds are very simple, are investments where investment managers pull funds from multiple investors, and they use this money to invest in things such as stocks, bonds, bills, etc. And mutual funds are very, very good if you're a beginner, because they enable you to diversify your investment, and also you're able to diversify with very small or little amount of money. So your money will be in stocks, it will be in bonds, it will be in bills, and all that with very little amount of money, because there will be so many investors that are pulled in that mutual fund, and they are able to also diversify your risk. Investment option number 3 are government bonds. Now, government borrows money from the public, and one way they do that is through inviting investors, and they are able to invest in their government bonds and bills. As the largest borrower in the country, the government are able to borrow funds from the public to use it for various reasons. For example, in infrastructural development, where for example the government wants to build roads and they do not have enough money, they will call unto the public in willing investors to be able to invest in their bonds and bills. So this type of investment, it is very, very safe, because the returns are guaranteed by the government, and therefore you are sure that your money will be paid back. Investment option number 4, the stock market. You can invest in the stock market, and I know this is very popular, this is famous. We all know shares. So stock market involves buying and selling of shares of various companies that are listed in the Nairobi Security Exchange. So there are various companies that you are able to choose from in the Nairobi Security Exchange. You can go to their website and check. So as an investor, how do you enjoy investment, or how does your money grow? 2 ways: capital gain, which means your stock, the shares that you buy, may increase in price, so you have a capital gain. And then number 2, through dividends, where you the company that you have bought shares from, they can distribute their profit to you as an investor in terms of dividends. So that is number 4. Number 5, we have SACCOS. I know you've heard your mom tell you to get into a SACCO, or where you work, there are SACCOs, and SACCO is a very good way for a beginner to invest their money. In a SACCO, there are various advantages, benefits. One is what we know, that getting credit from SACCOs, that you are able to even invest more in other investment options. But apart from getting credit, you can also enjoy dividend from your savings that you have invested in SACCO. So that's a very good way to invest your money. And savings you can get, and dividends or interest of your savings can go as high as 15%, which is one of the top earners of investment of financial investors if you have invested, because for example money market funds, you only get 10%, an average of 8 to 10%. So getting as high as 15% is a very good deal for a beginner. Now we go to number 6, real estate. Most of you have had the idea of buying a piece of land somewhere, and probably in one way or another, because maybe you are starting out or the capital is not enough, the traditional way of investing in real estate might be difficult for you. And the traditional way is buying a piece of land or a piece of property that you can maybe lease, or maybe do some agriculture, or wait for it to appreciate and sell. But in the modern age, we are able to invest in real estate in a very good way, in a very simple way, with a very little amount of money, and very little amount of money is required compared to the traditional way. And this is a real estate investment trust, which also most people know it as REITs. So REITs is a very good way, and it is also listed in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. So that's a very, very good way also for a beginner to invest in, especially in the real estate, which also the market fluctuates, but you can get very good returns from this investment option. Option number 7 is investing in yourself. I have said time and again that investing in yourself gives you the best returns. If you have a business, if you have a business plan, you can consider investing money into that. Also, you can also consider investing in a course that gives you high demand skill, maybe in tech, maybe in data, and maybe in customer service, anything that you can be able to create wealth from. The goal is getting good returns that you can create wealth. Finally, I want to remind you that all these investment options have a level of risk. So it is important for you to do your due diligence, to research, to seek advice from good financial advisors, and also to invest in investment options that are in line with your financial goals and with the level of your risk tolerance. I hope this video has helped you, and if it has, please comment down below and tell me what you have learned from this video, and also comment on all the other investment options that you want us to look into. If you are not a beginner, what investment options that you think that you can go for? And also don't forget to share this video to other people so that we can be able to help more people in their financial journey. Don't also forget to like this video, because it will support my channel. And also, let's grow the numbers by subscribing down below. Till next time, I love you and I hope you have a good time. Bye.